So I'm just out having a ramble, as I always do, foraging, shrooms predominantly. But then I came upon this this tree that's been felled some time ago, and then I noticed some very beautiful little offcuts. So what do you think of these? So the first thing that caught my eye was the patterning on this piece. Isn't that beautiful? And I thought, well, I think I can do something with that. And then I looked a little bit closer and I saw this piece. And again I'm thinking, wow, you know, how did that come to be? Well, it's a shame it's broken off the end there. But again, there's something going on with these pieces. Just unique, nice little pieces of wood. You can go back there, mate, to decorate with. And because they are predominantly flat, then you can fix them somehow. Oh, look at that piece. I mean, I bet Providence would love that. Can you imagine having a pet that has very similar to your taste in the natural world? Well, these pieces, they're just beyond exciting. Beyond exciting. And they all just appear to have fallen off the outer parameters of this. That one could do with drying out. I'll leave that one to dry out and I'll come back for that one at a later stage. Quite fascinating in actual fact. Yes. And they've, oh, see that one? You see where it came from? Just there. And so they've all fallen off. That tree here. And I think there's something to be made from all of them. They're just kind of delicious, aren't they? In a nerdy sort of anorak way. Particularly if you love these, you know, outdoor stuff. And so, gonna roll it over. Oh, quite heavy. Now then we can see what we've got here. Now then. Now we're talking, aren't we? Now we're talking. Got some more stuff down here. What we got here? Yeah. I don't know what I'll make, but I'm going to be making something. And at the very least, some of these will end up being hung on my wall. So we've got to see if we can roll this one out of the way. Actually, I'm going to put the camera down. Put it down there. because there's lots more bits that I've found. And oh, it's out of the way. And so this actual tree would have been very interesting in and of itself, but I would think, yeah, that one, I wonder if it's not going to come off in that bit there. Would have been nice to get that bit, but I'll let that dry out there. And that one. Okay, well, I'm just out to the supermarket now, so I'm going to have to come back for these on another occasion. And then I'll have a think about, maybe I could glue these to one of my internal doors. Or I'm going to think of something. You watch this space, girls and girls. Now that bit's nice. That bit's too nice to leave. Well, I'm going to come back for it again. That bit will come. Yeah, come on. Look at that. Yes. Now, the reason why this tree has been felled, because it being hollow, and apparently it was dangerous. Now, it used to overhang here, and in one of the limbs was a cuckoo, sorry, not a cuckoo, a woodpecker, a green woodpecker's nest. And it was directly up above the pathway here, and I was very sad actually to see that go. But in view of the danger of it, apparently, then they take them down. But there's all these around here. And so I'll be back